Hello everyone, my name is Kanika. Welcome to my YouTube channel KS Tutorials. In my channel, I am going to tell you about different topics. Today I am going to tell you about the topic human eye from the subject science. So let's get started. Let me give you some introduction about human eye. Human eye acts like a camera. It is one of the most sensitive and valuable sense organ. It enables us to see the wonderful world and colors around us. On closing our eyes, we can identify the object to some extent by their smell, by their touch, by their sound, by their taste. But it is impossible to identify the color of the product while closing our eyes. That's all about the introduction of human eye. Now I am going to tell you about the structure of human eye. Okay? The main parts of human eye are number 1, cornea, number 2, pupil, number 3, iris, number 4, crystalline lens, number 5, ciliary muscles, number 6, aqueous humor, number 7, vitreous humor, number 8, retina, and number 9, optic nerve. These are the main parts of human eye. Now I am going to explain each of this. First of all, I am going to tell you about the cornea. Cornea is the transparent and outermost covering of the eye. Okay? Light enters through lens. The eyeball is spherical in shape. It acts as a lens. What is its function? Its function is it bends or reflects the light. Now, pupil, iris and pupil. Light enters through cornea and aqueous humor through an opening called the pupil. Okay? The size of the pupil is controlled by iris. Okay? Now, crystalline lens. What is its function? Lens focus on the nearer and far objects. It helps us to see the nearer objects and far objects. Now, ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscle surrounds the crystalline lens. It surrounds the lens. When the ciliary muscles are relaxed, the lens becomes thin. What happens then? Then the focal length increases, which helps us to see the far objects more clearly. Okay? Is that clear? Now, if we want to see the closer object, then what happens? Then the ciliary muscles contract. When they will contract, the lens automatically will become thicker, which consequently decreases the focal length. Focal length decreases and it helps us to see the nearer objects clear. Is that clear? Okay. Now next is vitreous humor. Vitreous humor is the transparent and watery gel that surrounds the eye. A certain distance is allowed to focus a light. It allows that distance and it surrounds the eye. That's it. Now retina and optic nerve. What happens? First of all, what is retina? Retina is the innermost covering of the interior back of the eye. Okay. Now what happens when light strikes retina? It activates two types of cells, that is rods and cones. Now what is the function of rods? Rods help us to detect light and dark colors and helps us to form the image under dim conditions, whereas cones is responsible for the color vision. Okay. Now what happens when these cells are activated? These cells convert the light into electric signals. These electric signals are then taken from optic nerve to brain. Brain then interprets the signal and finally processes the information and show us the image of the object as they are, or perceive the object as they are. I hope you understood this topic. That's all about the topic. In my next video, I am going to tell you about the defects of vision and their correction. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any queries, let me know in my comment section. Thank you.
Subscribe now.